Happy Saturday. Please forgive the video quality here as I look at it. It's kind of funny. Um, but yeah, it's been a while since I made a video, and it's kind of a function of when they come out with 10Ks and 10Qs to review. But I did just look at Anfield again. It's at a very attractive price right now, and one of the stocks that I've been um, looking at purchasing. And just to kind of full disclosure, I am a shareholder and I don't know anything about stocks, so don't listen to me. Um, I do know a little about accounting and reading these freaking 10Qs. But there's been a lot that's happened in Anfield, and I kind of want to put it down. I went through my last videos today to kind of see what I had previously valued the company at, and it's great to have that log. So I'll continue to look back and be like, was I really far off or not? Um, After reviewing the company again, you realize how leveraged this company is. They're taking on a lot of debt, and they're also deferring a lot of payments. So it's building at 5.6%. So think of it as like a loan, but it's on a fairly substantial amount of money. So it's kind of a ticking time bomb. But they were successful in raising 3.5 million in this last private placement. So that's given them some runway, but there are quite a few loans outstanding. However, they are on some very quality assets, with the largest being the Shooterine Canyon Mill and the Velvet Wood project, as well as the West Slope. Those could be 50 million. George Glacier said to build a new mill, and don't quote me on this, but it was $130 million. That's already licensed, permitted, and it'll take $35 million to refurbish. So if 232 goes through, that's almost a given as far as trying to get some more production. It's higher cost at about $65 a pound, but if you include some vanadium in there and vanadium maintains its price or goes higher, it's a great asset to have. So I am even raising mine from 24 to 42 million as the base of the Shooterine Canyon Mill at I assume a $65 uranium price, either from 232 or in 4 years from actual just demand and lack of production. So let's see, what else do we have here? They did a deal with who is this? Radio Fuels. So they bought Athabasca Basin. It's next to Areva, right on the corner of a county, and it was owned by Radio Fuels, which is Colin Cattell's company, private company, and they wrapped it. Basically, he just bought into. I think they have 8 million shares now. I thought I saw on the shareholder register, and then some other CBS company has like a lot, 20 something percent. But that's quite substantial. Colin is like well known in the space, and he is into uranium. I think he's now CEO of a vanadium exploration company. But the thing that I really like about this company is they have tiered warrants. So they really, they're not paying out warrants or options to management unless there's share performance. So I love that fact, and basically they're going to have to keep doing that in order to raise funds and maintain trust with people. So it may blow up as far as dilution, but in the end, the assets are worth way more than what this company's current market cap of 7 million reflects. So what are they doing now? What happened in the last 3 to 6 months? Well, they did that deal with Radio Fuels, acquire that Athabasca property. They raised 3.5 million in private placement with one warrant at 30 cents and the other stuff at 20 cents. And then they did this deal with Cotter for 20% of the company, valuing it at 7 million basically at that time, that was a little while ago. And then the next step is they're getting a PEA done on the Charlie project, which basically a PEA, and I think I read this correctly in this mining and minerals book. Actually, right here, this thing is pretty awesome. But I think it says 3 months for a PEA, and it's relatively inexpensive. They already have an NI 101 resource, so yeah, they should be able to convert that quickly, and they're moving forward, which is awesome because you need to move quickly. I think right now, if you can get into production there, it's like 4.6 million, I believe, over a 7-year mine life, or maybe that's Velvet Woods, but it's going to be similar. And yeah, it's very exciting. I think as the 232 petition moves forward, right now we've got 2 more weeks, and who knows what could happen? You could postpone it. And there are some U.S. assets, other companies um, that are going steadily up, and some that there's just a ton of wavering with. Um, so Anfield's been one of those wavering ones, and it's just been continually dropping to a really attractive price right now. And it's an exciting time to be in uranium. And hopefully 232 goes through, and everyone has a great day. Cheers.